Yeah, today we're gonna be driving our RC cars. So I got the Toyota Land Cruiser and we got the RTR and then we got the other Land Cruiser. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Alright, we got it hooked up to the RC car. Let's go. So it's like facing towards the ground a little bit. Up. Yeah, like that. Yeah, right there, go. Happened. Okay, so you were just on this beast right here.
Was it for?
It has to. You just lost all your.
All right, let's go.
Going flat. It was not full charge. My battery's probably super hot right now. Okay, my battery's getting really hot, so see ya.
Right, that's it. We got the GoPro mounted to the Land Cruiser. We're gonna go in some mud.
No!
Right.
It rolled.
Can you shoot this in?
Oh my god!
And taste stuff.
Oh, need to go over this first. Wait, I'll move this.
I rolled it on this.
Never mind. Alright, let's go over to the house. No. We need to get some upgrades for these better mud tires.
Waterproof.
Look at that!
Oh yeah, fill that stone. Ready?
That was really deep.
That was.
Let's take it through this. I rolled it into the water.
No! Bro, mine just broke.
Did it? No, Finley. I'll tell you something. I switched out our batteries. You had the uncharged one.
Bro, you bitch!
No, don't. This is the one with the GoPro on it.
I know. But then now I can't have fun.
You can have a go on mine.
Bro, but the lights aren't killing out.
Yeah, if they weren't killing out, then it would have been right. Okay, let's try not to roll it.
Yeah, because that was that.
Holy shit, that was big. Holy poo-poo pants. Alright, thanks for watching the video.